July ni som pakua sang ni som ni paruk ani breaking news United States in aniriat na atan zawnin Iran bengar ngar maya Iran in United States sipai te omna mun abe le na lama hianin United States sipai te zinga thi anoma lima noma tin riat lawa an bokan ituna hian ain changlen mak maya hei hi kan riek kan soiza main hei kan en ho potang
I hun nei na zirlo wangin ini samhan lo ni mai thei I har sana chingfel turin Pitan RK construction an ome I boipui ngai mi lovin soil test le building permit an boipui sak thei cha civil engineer architect monitoring na noya in hun lai atanga building sakzo thlengin an tho sak thei che ani tin I inchung chau chei that edu point red niam takin an koi sak thei bok che chu mai ba ka ceiling specialist an nia biak in le ko han building a red niam te in an siam sak thei boke I building hui to tak kha thia kher ngai lovin athom that na column strengthening retrofitting anti thei boke RK construction 8837 333
Oh, RK construction te mamo inei huna inodor ve theu dolani ole in reactor nila
The United States has completed 8th round of airstrikes to punish Iran for attacks against US forces after 2 American service members were killed in Jordan in an Iranian missile and drone attack.
Iranian missile and drone in a couplet vezel to ani don son couplet vezel to tila a couplet na sa veto ani Iran hian mo chuan in Jordan rama Iran in a hetianga United States sipai te omna mun missile drone manga va be na hian United States sipai te an thi ani he thilawang hian in Donald Trump pate chuan in sipai ti tho theina ral thuam ti sang hi Middle East lama hian in thon lu bel atum deuni in news media ten khatte so in an report ane.
Now these are the first military deaths since renewing its hostilities with Iran. Iranian news agencies Fars and Tasnim simultaneously reported US attacks on Sirik, a port located on the Strait of Hormuz in southern Iran.
Iranian state media te chuanin United States te hianin Strait of Hormuz longchol na munte an ron beiti kha an lo report vezel boka ti chuanin United States sipai te tuna an thi hi hei hi MOU an sign nu hetianga United States sipai ten a han be non le timela be pian thak le mek an thak le mek chuta thi an ei masak ber chu anita ani march thapo khani United States sipai te thi tre maya chuan tuna hian tu tenge a thi tu nge ming tu tenge ming ting ve kha chu an la puang chuak ri lawa chan chu darkar som ni pali nuwa le e kemi official tena an chung te ne na khatiang information an va pek phot kha an ngak don khatiang ani ma kha chu hetiang social media hianin tu tenge thi kha an puang chuak ri don lo ani United States sipai te hian mo
U.S. Central Command said that during the 8th consecutive night of strikes, it successfully hit Iranian military coastal surveillance and air defense facilities, maritime capabilities, and missile and drone storage sites to degrade Iranian military capabilities. It confirmed targeting IRGC responsible for attacks against U.S. service members in Jordan on 17th of July.
July ni som pasaria Iran nina Jordan United States sipai te atha awang le abe awang khan tiang hianin Iran hian be atok chho ve zel ani United States an be ve zel ani ti chuan United States tena an target hi chu nimina kan react te nimin pia kan react te khan ten khanin ala ngai vek tho United States lam pagina an du ber chu Strait of Hormuz Iran ina an du huna local tangte an be thei to lo na tura siam kha United States te thil tum ber ani chumi ti floating tur chuanin tiang hianin ma an la char chara
The CENTCOM said that more than 50,000 U.S. service members deployed in West Asia remain ready. CENTCOM had earlier stated that the troops were killed while U.S. and allied forces were defending against an Iranian missile and drone barrage. One U.S. service member remains missing as search operations continue.
United States sipai pakhat hi chin riat lo in lo ma hi khongai omang khomoni building che Noi kara tiang vela te po chunin lo om te po ni theitu na hianin an zong mek ti report
The
a mane
IRGC acknowledged that its high-risk Shekhan missiles targeted the U.S. command center and American fighter jet storage ramp in Jordan's Al Azraq base, according to
United States te sipai mun pui Jordan om hi hemi Iran hianin an Hmar Shekhan missile mang hian an beyani he missile hi meter som pakhat point palia si ania kilometer sakhat zali som nga thuya kap thei ani ti chuan bom hi kg zanga somnga arit apai thei boka a speed po hi Mach 2 to 3 ti velania a chak rem khop mai
Iranian media, the Khyber Shakhan is an
Khyber
11.4
Shakhan.
meter third generation solid fuel missile introduced in 2022 with a range of 1,450 kilometers. It carries high explosive warhead weight.
and thok chak mai ve hemi a speed hi mo Mach 2 to 3 anti hi Mach 2 hi 2,469 kilometers per hour. Hey, car te po ang khal thin ta aizola chuanin motor te kan khal hianin 40 te 50 te kan han tlan to hi chuanin a speed hi sang kan ti thin ni tero khatiang a speed a kha 2,469 sang is a li som ruk pakwa lai ane an thok chak rem don le mai
Weighs approximately 550 kilograms and can achieve a top speed of between Mach 2 and 3 on impact,
Mach 2 and
making
3.
it difficult to intercept.
Okay, Mach 3 pay to more 3,704 kilometer per hour sang thum za sari pali kilometer per hour as speed an sang turu rem hey wang hin yang air defense system te pon heavy missile hi chu an lo intercept thelo missile tamjok te drone tamjok te hi chu midili sa ramdang te muslim ram te na an air defense system mang hianin an lo intercept thei thoina ni amaro chu hemi Iran Khyber Shakhan missile hi chu a thok chak turu bani a speed hi asang turu buru bani soi to ang khan kan hriat thiam thei dan tur chuan aizola hei kongkoi tak mai a 40 50 vel kan tan pon speed ka sang kan ti to nia chak to nia he Mach 2 Mach 3 vel khi chmo sang thum sang li loi ani speed sang turu buru khop mai.
The US military has suffered multiple casualties in the West Asia war. On 1st March, at least six soldiers were killed.
March ni khanin America Sipai paruk thia
A US facility in Port Shuaiba, Kuwait. One soldier died on 8th of March from
March di da po United States Sipai pakhat lo thile a chuan March ni so pahnia pheijon in thona pakhat kha an kap thla ta khanin thona chuang United States Sipai paruk in nuna an chan ani
in Saudi Arabia. 6 crew members perished in a KC-135 aircraft crash on 12th of March. A Navy pilot died in a helicopter.
Yo, July ni som pali a po hian Navy pilot. Okay. July ni som pali a Navy pilot hi Arabian Sea helicopter ta khanin a thia. Chuan July ni som pasari nimin pia khanin United States Sipai pahni in nuna an chan bokani. Nimin pi athi phei kha chu Iran ina an ka fu ve liao ania. Chunin thil dang kan soima in tu na tarmit ka vua hi heta TNM opticals chan mari aizola tanga ka le ni mo chakhop me hi kini yang laptop te le khazir na sa te me yang mo na thok na sa tam phei chunin blue light filter UV block day and night khatiang kha ani a chakhop mai chuanin puitling naupang nu le pa leirol tangwal nula design sang hemi TNM opticals sa hianin leituro mane
crashed in the Arabian Sea on 14th of July, and on 17th July, 2 U.S. troops were killed in an attack in Jordan, with one still missing. In the meantime, U.S. President Donald Trump has reacted to the killing of the service members. In an interview to New York Post, Trump said that the deaths are a shame, but the mission stands. He added that soldiers died because they would not want Iran to have a nuclear weapon and to watch West Asia blow up.
United States Sipai hi kezo na makkatilova ki ayat tam ki thito turanga kezo ninga lo be sei ve de bani a chan chu ti mai la he karilu chet wang pon loin a chan chu Iran hian in missile hi an nei thave thawani an missile capabilities hi turu ve thawa chu wan chuanin an kap na sa to sia an ka chua Iran hian in missile manga United States Sipai te an omna munte a be na sa to ang ai hian United States Sipai thi an tle ma hi hi United States Sipai te an defense capabilities a chat zia ti lang tu pakhat ni in ka hria a tira ha chuanin United States lampang po hian in Sipai te hi an chan ve cheu don ni hi kalo ti ril ruani amaro chu khatianga United States Sipai te indo ani miawa chu wa chuanin indo miau chuanin thi le hlem kha chu omlo theilo ni amaro chu ka be sei ai de in United States Sipai te zinga hianin nunna chan te han hliam han tuar te heng te hi an claim katia amak rolin an mani defense air defense system te that zia tilang tu le enge an air defense system te alo thale mei ti ya ke ma pona kan she chian le zual pha na ani in ka ria mo.
Following the attack, Iran's supreme leader issued a fresh warning to US Ayatollah Moshtaba Khamenei said that Washington will be taught unforgettable lessons if its attacks continue.
United States in phuba la an la dona ka chianga hei chu phuba la kan tum don chianga an la don chianga tuna te po hianin an riat na tan zone te hianin an be to a hemi an riat na an be hian phuba lak na nge ni a nakina phuba lak na tak tak a thleng don ti ero chu soi thei ala ni lowa an be apiang hi phuba lak chu ani zel don nge nakina a san pa de win phuba la don nakina an la hriang kha chu chuan Iran po hianin United States in a min la be zel ani chuanin nimina hanin ni thumvel min la be ni chuanin indo a chuak tak takang kan ti ta kha Iran lampangina an ron soi khani ta tuna hen hei an riat na tan United States in Iran an be ta Iran hianin ni chu an lang hak mai thei ani United States mo ni nuwa hianin engtin nge Iran hianin nasatakin a chang le don nge don lo kan riang a chan chu Iran lampang chuanin ni emoni thum US in a min be le ani chuanin hei full scale war all out war mo border lawe han ka pang tin Iran lampang hi aronin show sa warning aron pena sa hle ani.
In a statement read out in state television, Moshtaba Khamenei said the US strikes had proved that President Donald Trump's signature on a deal is quote-unquote worthless. With this, Khamenei has also accused Washington of breaking its commitments.
MOU, an in rem siam na. Bo chiang an in pu ve ve ani han pan hi hian Trump pan Iran na puwa Iran hian in Trump pate pu bok ani ola ka ti song kha tun trum news ata da toy si kim siang kan han report thei chu ani video la em mulai theu do ne